Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert double line arrow in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and click shapes drop down menu. Now we can see here many shapes. We find and select the double line arrow shape. Now we select the double line arrow shape and draw it. Press shift on our keyboard to draw this shape perfectly. And we can see here we insert double line arrow very easily. You can change the double line shape color. Click the shape and go to the format menu. Then click shape style drop down menu and choose any style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.